Question number 9, optimization. The diagram below represents a printed poster. Rectangle ABCD, the shaded one. The shaded one is the part on which the text is printed. All right, that's where the thing is printed. The printing is on a gray area. This shaded area ABCD is that much. Well, so they're telling me the area of this. So let me write it as area there equals to 432 square centimeters or centimeters squared. Right, good. Well, I know the length of it. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna show you. And AD from here, A to D, it's actually X centimeters. So how they're giving it to us, they are loving us. So this part, it's actually X centimeters, no problem. A, B, C, D, the whole thing is 4 centimeters from the left to the right edge. No, hold your horses here. They say A, B, C, D, this thing is actually 4 centimeters. Well, I know if this is X here at the top, down here should be X. Then let's just write X here. Also here should be X centimeters. Because what, and then they say it's actually 4 centimeters from the left side is here. No, it's 4 centimeters from the left and right edge of the page. From left to the right edge. So they give me that, they're talking about that 4 centimeters. Okay, that means from that black line outside to here. Yeah, that's what they're talking about. I was kind of perplexed a little bit. And then 3 centimeters, this one from top to bottom. Those numbers which are already there. All right, we know that, so there's no problem with that. Now they say show that the total area of the page is given by that. Now remember, the total page, the area, the page must be that one, the green one. The whole thing, the green one. So that means the area everywhere. So what does that mean? I need the length and the breadth of this side. That's what I need to do. So first thing I need to do is this green length, the one at the bottom, it's gonna be that X plus the 4 centimeter, another 4 centimeter. So that green edge should be X plus the 8 centimeters. I thought they were going to ask you back what they were going to give you this and you're supposed to figure out what's inside. Then this part, whatever it is, that orange, we're going to add 3 plus 3, but we need to know what is AB length. So we need to work it out first. So let me just work it out right here on the screen. Because let's just call this one Y and then Y there, the other side. I'm going to call that one. So that means if I were to take that X times the y, meaning x times the y should give me 432. So the y should be 432. I'm writing like a doctor now. All over x. That's it. So there we go. So that means the orange is 432 divided by x plus 3 and 3 plus that 6. So that means we've got 432. 432 over x plus the 6. So you and I, we are to take the orange and also take the green. We multiply them together to give us that area for 9.1. So let's do so. Right, so I'm gonna write area. When they write x, it just means area in terms of x. So we need that orange geyser. So that orange geyser is 432, and then all over the x, I believe, plus the 6. Let's check it. Yes, it's right. Parenthesize that, put that in a bracket. And then now we need the green one, x plus 8. That's all we need to do. We multiply that, we get the answer. All right, so this will be our last one. So if you take x to multiply 432 over x, you will be left with 432. If you take x to times 6, you get plus 6x. First part done. Then 8 times 432. So you have 8 times 432. All right, so you now have plus 3,456. By that, by the x. The 8 must times that one. I don't know if it's 48. 8 times 6. Yeah. Then that will be plus the 48. But to finish up this, these two must be added because those are numbers. They're basically like tens. So I'm going to start with the one that is division. So 3,456 all over the x, and then plus 6x. I'm going to add for the 8, so I'm going to say plus 432. We got 480, so it's going to be plus 480. That should be the formula, because we can't simplify that further. So let's double check if indeed, if it is so. Yeah, there it is, 480cx345 over there. So it's right. The next thing is to derive. Let's check. What are we deriving? They say determine the value of x. They just need the value of x such that the total area All right, so we're dealing with the area. It must be minimum. Do I have the equation of an area? Yeah, I do have that equation. So right on that equation, I want to manipulate it. I want to move that x at the bottom. So I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm going to write that this is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, x to the negative 1. That is if we bring it right at the top. Right, that one is gone. So now, for minimum, we derive. So let's just derive this. A prime x equals to 0. So when I derive, I've got negative 3,400, 456 is going to be x to the negative 2. But I love it at the bottom because I know I'm going to need to bring it to the other side. And then it will be plus the 6 when I derive. All of that equals to 0. So at the end, I've got negative 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm multiplying by x and transpose this by x squared transpose the 6. It's going to be negative 6x squared. All right, then divide by 6 both sides. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divide by 6. We got that. So x squared equals to 576. Therefore, x equals to, I need a square root. So square root of the answer is 24. So it's going to be 24. It was given in what? What was it given in centimeters? 24 centimeters. Or, because the square root is plus or minus, x equals to negative 24 centimeter. This can be, we discard that, we throw it away. That is the answer, my friend, to this question. And we are